Hi friends, it's Suzanne here from sunstampin.com, bringing you the May 2023 edition of Crafting at the Lake House. This crafting event took place in Kelowna, BC, Canada, right on the beautiful Okanagan Lake. The annual catalog was celebrated in the projects, so look for new, fresh ideas. There are 12 projects featuring 12 different Stampin' Up! Products, plus 2 bonus projects in this fun video mini-series. There is a link in the description box below to purchase the written PDF in case you're so inclined. I totally appreciate the support. Thank you in advance. So I do hope you have fun watching the videos and get inspired. Hello friends, here we are with the bonus card number 1. This is a take and make. So this card was given to the attendees in their swag bag along with the stamp set and punch that goes with it. So it was circle sayings and the circle punch as well. I am inking up my stamp with fresh freesia and it says happy birthday, and this is a piece of basic white, and then on the square of basic white I'm going to ink up my circle sayings stamp and stamp down. We'll cut that out with a punch in a minute. And this is the punch that comes with the bundle. It's quite lovely. So I cut it out just a little bit wonky, but that's okay. No one's perfect. I put the basic white card on the fresh freesia card base, and then I adhered the masterfully made designer series paper onto the fresh freesia card stock, and that's giving us a place that we can put our circle. But before we adhere the circle onto this rectangle, I'm going to stamp it with a cupcake. And that cupcake is going to be colored with some blends. So here, Memento Tuxedo Black ink for the cupcake, and then let it dry for just a second. And then I'm coming in for the cupcake part with wild wheat. It is the perfect color for cupcakes. It gives that vanilla feel, if you will. And then, of course, I used fresh freesia to color the icing, and crumb cake for the wrapper. And again, I sort of follow what the artists do for dark and light. If you want to make something look like it has a roundness to it, you're going to go in with dark, and then like on top and bottom, and then put the light in the middle. And it does give an effect of rounding. I mean, this image is pretty small, so crumb cake dark here, again, top and bottom, and then, or top and side, I should say, and then the middle with the light. Then I'm going to put dimensional adhesive on the back of my circle, and I do have a ribbon here. I gave everyone a different ribbon because I didn't have a lot. I don't have a lot of ribbon, but I did think that it added to the project. And of course, I used some mini glue dots to adhere the ribbon in place. And then I used Wink of Stella to create some sugary effects on that frosting. So again, you can see all the supplies I used today listed below in the video's See More section or in the supplies section of my blog. And those fast links are going to take you to my Canadian online store, where I would love the chance to meet you and earn your business. So thank you so much for watching, and bye for now.